Hi and welcome back to Tier 10 to Prem. This is episode 40 today with Mousehole AFC. This is the PRIISEK channel and we've got a couple of big ones today. Namely, Poole, who is a rival from the past, and Harrow Borough. It's getting tasty in the league. We've pulled ahead again, but can we keep it up? Please, let's get up there and do this. This one, that one, there, notify, get it all going. Let's get on to the video. And as you can see from the league table, we are 6 points clear. It's been hard work, I tell you. The last few games, Dorchester win, Moneyfield win, draw against Walton Casuals, and a win against East Grinstead. All very tight games. Today, Poole, who are mid-table, actually, 14th, just below mid-table. And we've also got Harrow Borough, who are 6th. So again, a couple of games. Poole, we've had him in the past, has been tricky. So today, as you can see, a couple of injuries. Mahadi and Davis. So our right hand side is out, injured. So there's a few changes today. Harvey in goal, Kraski, Richards, Purcell, Riley Lowe, Toland, Crawford, Bakayoko, Phelan, Goldsworthy and Pickering. Keeley, our mainstay from last season, is not very happy at the moment, so it's another one. But Purcell is a better player. I've checked it, I've gone through it, and he is the better player. So stick to our guns. We're not just going to throw him out the window at the moment, but he'll probably have to go end of the season. Probably have to get some better players in, to be fair, because it's another step up, and it's another step up. Yeah. Goodness me. Anyway, we have had interest again from some of our players who we've managed to turn down. Truro in for Pickering again. Just not happening, thankfully. Carry on from where we left off last time. I agree, but we do need to score more goals. Goals are starting to become a bit of a pain, and we need more, especially at home. Home form could be the key to this all. And it's Tolan with the corner. Oh, it's over the bar. Yeah, home form could be one of the main things. And just looking at everything at the moment, other than Kraski, who's obviously come back from an injury himself, for Davis, and 10 minutes in, it's looking okay at the minute. FC United, oh here we go, spoke too soon, commentator's nightmare, and Poole are in. Oh, that was close. FC United, forgot to see who they were playing. And they've got Ickleston Town. And it's Seager for Poole. Cross comes out. It's a short one. And they're in. Oh, he's at the post. And Purcell clears it. Sneaky bit of play. Ickleston Town are up here somewhere, aren't they? Yes, 9th at the moment. So, play for set pieces. I agree, Jake. We've been having too many games of late. We've been Benji FM. Let's put it that way. It's and FC United have just gone one up. Look, puts the pressure back on. But we do need to start scoring more goals, and that's a bit of a fire up. Come on, boys! Last 10 minutes of the half. Toland, ball comes in. And there's Mark Richards. I keep being told he should be vice captain, captain, whatever. And sometimes I'm thinking maybe I should. Goldsworthy, 32, 33 years old now. But at the moment, it's just not worth risking it. We'll have to see for next season. Richards taking his time. Riley Lowe, cultured bit of football. Pickering to Goldsworthy. He's beaten his man a plum. Oh, unlucky, unlucky. Now, 38 minutes gone. 6 points gap again. We've got to contain. Everyone's pleased, happy, calm. Body language is good. But we do need just to keep everything flowing. 1-0 will do at the end of the day. But we don't want to have to rely on that. Capable of more, I agree. Calm, composed, happy, whatever you want to call it. But let's just focus, boys. Focus. So somebody was focused. Toland, corner in. It's knocked away. Goldsworthy. Goldsworthy, use your pace, man. Ball comes in. It's cleared. Now we've got 4 or 5 players back here. We should be fine. Goldsworthy to Pickering. Pickering, what a finish. Oh my word. No wonder Truro City won him. But hopefully we'll go past Truro City soon. Now, Toland with an absolute beauty challenge. Krasky again. Goldsworthy. And a little dink from Pickering. The boy has got so much ability. So much ability. Excuse me. It's blooming cold. I just can't shake it at the moment. It's one of those ones where we've had a couple of cold evenings down here in Cornwall. And I'd put central heating back on. Not good. Not good at all. No, I'm not interested in yellow cards. If he's unfit, then fair enough. Richards. We will give him a rest for Keeley. Give him a bit of game time. Toland will come off just purely because of fitness. Nothing to do with anything else. Phelan for Hayden Turner. Triple change. In we go. And focus, everybody. 2-0 up. Keeley, come on, son. You've had a moan. You've thrown your toys out the pram. Now it's time to go and show us what you can do. They've not changed much. Still a 4-4-2 for them. And we're just happily coasting along here to a nice little victory. And see some goals here. Look, Cologne against Harrow Borough, who we've got next, are getting absolutely drubbed 6-1 at the moment. Keeley to man mark, yeah. I agree with that. 10 minutes to go. It's just petering out. Let's just praise everybody. Last 5. Bakayoko frustrated. Just get on with it, man. I'm praising you. We're 2-0 up. Don't concede. Pick the ball up. Someone get that ball back. Oh, don't leave him go past you like that. Don't leave him go past you like that. And it's Seagull with his 17th goal of the season. I thought we was already saying man-to-man mark. Now, come on. Don't give him another chance. Focus. Krasky. Crawford. Back out to Krasky. Goldsworthy. Can he get it across? Bakayoko. Beautiful goal. Beautiful goal. Well in, Bakayoko. Happy with that. 3-1. 90th minute. As we can see, Goldsworthy. Defender sort of half did something to it. And it didn't actually go down as an assist for Goldsworthy. So whether the defender actually toe poked it a little bit. I'm not sure, but I'm happy with that. We'll go with that. That's 3-1. 6 points clear again. We've also changed back to our tracksuit rather than our suit, hoping that that might just change our luck a little bit. And since we've changed, after that cup drubbing and league massacre, we've actually managed to start pulling some wins together. So I'm not saying it was exactly that helped, but it certainly has helped in some ways. FC United secure playoff spot. We're already in the playoffs secure, but it's now just a matter of can we do the league, and it's next up for Harrow Borough, who got battered. So let's fast forward a few days. I'll catch you in a minute. And for the league game against Harrow, it's the same starting 11. No changes on the bench. Mahadi's still injured. Davis is still injured. So we're just going to go ahead and play the game again. So hopefully nothing's changed. You know, there's Krasky again says going to struggle a little bit, but done that very often. But the Tinkerman hasn't tinkered today. So there's one thing I did notice. I think I said it was episode 40, but this is episode 41. But no big deal really. But here we go. And Harrow Borough, who, as we can see, are, or as we can, it's just had to go highlight as usual. But Harrow Borough are 1-0 up in 1 minute, in the second minute. They've just lost 6-1, and they're already 1-0 up against us. I despair. And I was just going to say, they're 8th in the league. We're top. First goal of the day. Yeah. XG of 0.01. Right. Fire up. Come on. I don't know why Richards always gets pressured. Pressured by the feedback. The boy, he's been told he should be our captain. Should be lapping this up. But here we are 20 minutes in. Let's go a bit more attacking. Toland. Oh, disallowed. Disallowed. Why? Oh, Crawford. Come on, man. Fair enough. If that's what you're going to say, then demand more. 20 minutes in. Not good enough, boys. This lot are 8th in the league. We need to start showing more. And I'm far from pleased. Feelings picked up a card. Come on. We're better than this. 30 odd minutes gone. And it's getting to one of those stages again, isn't it? Where we're just not doing enough. Richards with a free kick. Straight to them. And it's a ball over the top. And who's going to get there first? They are. And it's crossed in. And it's 2-0. Now. It's a gusty day at Harrow. It's time for a bit of berating. Fired them up. Come on. 2-0 down. Not good enough. You've got to do better than that. And we certainly have. We still only have one shot. And that wasn't even on target. FC United are behind. That could be our saving grace. Krasky. Goldsworthy. Goldsworthy just got done. Toland. Pickering. Bakayoko out to Riley Lowe. Ball in. Goldsworthy. This time, 2-1, right on the stroke of half time. And the defender hit Pickering. Their defender tried to clear it. Ball come back in, and Goldsworthy, thank you very much. Goodness me. Right, 2-1. Are FC United still losing? That is the key. If we can pull off a draw, point the finger, expect to see much better. Motivated, 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 composed, motivated, composed. That's what we want. Goldsworthy, Purcell, Richards, Kraski to Bakayoko, who just gives it straight away to their player, who's just running all the way, and thankfully Corey Harvey pulls off a save. And the chance I thought we were actually going to score and go 2-2 from the kickoff ends up being 2 big chances for them. Come on, boys. Demand more. Now, it's only 2 minutes into the second half, but my word, we're not doing anything. We're not doing anything. Play for set pieces, very attacking. Not good enough, boys. Right. Who is playing poorly? Who is playing well? Bakayoko is having a mare. Bakayoko. What is going to happen here? Let's see the highlight. We might just have to go in and absolutely change everything completely around, because they are playing some cracking football. Right. Skip that. Tactics. 4-2-4 is gone. 4-2-3-1. Phelan apparently is our second best player at the moment. I don't know. Right, hang on. Cancel that. Let's just double check on the ratings. So Pickering, poor. Bakayoko, poor. Kraski, poor. Right, okay. So, we will go there. We'll do a bit of this. Pickering can come off for Todd. Hayden for Phelan. And we haven't really got anybody to go on the right. Brown for Bakayoko, and do that. So, Dodd. Attack. Kraski. Winger attack. That's his better attack. Crawford. That's his best. And he's best at support. Fullbacks, can they... Are they... Not really. No, we'll just leave that like that. 3 changes. Come on. Let's berate them. Second berating, they're fired right up. Let's go, boys. Come on. 4-1 down. FC United, thankfully, are 2-0 down. So, the chasing pack are closing, but you'd like to think 13 points should be fine. This game is going absolutely nowhere. Gone to a bit more attacking with our 4-2-3-1, and It's just not good enough, boys. Not good enough. Diaz. Who the hell is Diaz here now? Look. Antonio Diaz. Nah. That's the thing. A lot of the players around this level, some of them are good, some of them are dross, to be fair. But with our players that we've got, it's just fitness levels seems to be the issue. We are actually starting to get shots, but we're not doing anything with them. And this half has been non-eventful. 4-1. Absolutely abysmal, boys. I'm not happy with the performance out there. Is it time to bring Rooney back in? I was thinking about dropping him completely, but here we are now. Maybe having to bring him back into the squad. I don't know. We'll see. But with things being so tight, we're going to keep going with this schedule. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think what we'll do, we'll play Hamwell. So we'll get this one off screen. We'll play Hamwell and Cambridge City, and then we'll have the final 2 games of the season as well, just to end it off rather nicely. I think that'll look good. Be a good end of the season, he says. If you've enjoyed that, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to get notified. And we'll catch you in the next one.